Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite cheesy hatch carne asada tacos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making our marinade. To a bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of jugo maggi, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, the juice of 1 lime, the juice of half an orange or 1 small little orange. Along with that, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, chili powder, oregano, black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Just going to mix it all until everything is well combined. And once you have that, now you can pour it over the meat. I'm using 2 pounds of ranchera. So now just make sure that you fully coat each piece of steak. Okay, once we have coated all of our meat, going to cover it and allow it to marinate overnight or for at least 2 hours. Okay, so here I have my meat that I marinated last night, so it is ready. We're just going to take it out of the refrigerator and allow it to come to room temperature. Meanwhile, we can prepare the rest of our ingredients. Over high heat, roast 5 hatch or Anaheim peppers, along with 5 tomatillos, a small piece of onion, and 1 jalapeno or chile serrano. Just going to make sure that they're nice and roasted all around. Okay, once the tomatillos have changed color, transfer them to the blender cup along with the chile serrano, jalapeno, and piece of onion. And when the chiles are nice and roasted, transfer them to a plate. Make sure to cover them so they can sweat. And while we allow our chiles to sweat, we can make our salsa. To a blender cup, we're also going to add 1 garlic clove, a handful of cilantro, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to blend it into smooth. Okay, once we have our salsa, we can set it to the side. After a few minutes, we can now peel our chiles. Okay, now to the chiles, remove the stem, open them, and remove the seeds as well. And now you just want to cut them into strips and then little squares. Okay, and just do that to all of your chiles. Okay, so once we have our chiles, set them to the side so we can cook our steaks. Okay, so here, heat up your pan over high heat. Once nice and hot, place your steaks. We're just going to keep cooking them 2 minutes per side. After 2 minutes, remove the steaks from the heat. And we're just going to repeat the process with the rest of our steaks. Okay, once we have our steak, we can get ready to chop it, and then we can put it all together. Now, returning to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to return our meat. Along with that, we're going to add our roasted peppers. Going to cook them together for a minute. Okay, after the minute, we're going to add our salsa and just reserve a little bit of it. And mix it together. Now we're just going to allow it to cook for a few minutes. Okay, and after a couple minutes, now we're going to top it with our queso Oaxaca and just allow the cheese to melt. Okay, and once the cheese melts, we can now get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super easy to make, so delicious. The meat is so flavorful. It's just honestly the perfect combination of everything. And of course, you can always top it with a little lime juice, some salsa verde that we reserve, of course, some onion and cilantro. Or you can just enjoy them just plain like that by itself. Regardless, these are seriously the best. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. I love my favorite ingredients in one bite. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have my favorite cheesy hatch carne asada tacos. I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.